Hey guys, thanks for joining me in today's video. Just going to take you through what's been done to the car after I've had it for about 2 years. Haven't made a lot of videos for it, but yeah, so I'll just get into it. I've changed the fog lights in it, had some aftermarket fog lights that I got from overseas. Can't give you the brand of it just because they're Filipino ones. I think they're DLAA ones, and I'll show you what they look like. So they look pretty cool. They actually got a little blue yellow tint into it as well. I put some charge bead style side skirts on the car. Also did a S207, S208 rear, sort of rear bumper vents on the car as well. Check that out. See the side skirts, you know, picked them up fairly cheap. Rear pods as well, right here, pretty cheap, like 50-60 bucks off eBay. This was the biggest project that I've ever did on it. Trying to cut through the bumper, it was pretty difficult, you know, pretty scary. It comes with one template, it's kind of a pain in the ass. A lot of measuring, yeah, and then basically siliconed it up here. These are painted. Vents, look, they can work. Drill some holes in the back here as well. Yeah, put a Q300 exhaust on it. It's just an axle back. Good note, has a little bit of a backfire sometimes. Other than that, she's pretty stock. Polished up the headlights and everything like that. So sanding them back, then used some Meguiar's headlight polish with a drill bit and things like that, a drill pad. She's running pretty good. As for the interior, I did a went to the Wreckers. Funnily enough, they had armrest extension. Look at that, 12 bucks armrest extension, which is really cool, right? And this one, on my previous stints when I first got the car, I actually put this roller door in. This one here is from a Liberty GT or Legacy GT over in the States. Fairly cool, very easy to do. They share the same consoles, and that's why I was able to get this, you know, this little armrest extension here as well. Really cool. In the car, it's got that short shifter as well. Got a lot of K's on my car right now. A lot of K's. Look at that. Get in there. A lot of K's. A lot of K's. Other than that, love the car. She's going good. Another project that I actually do have is, oh, there's the XV, this one. So the Bug Eye wagon I got in April, which is cool, very cool. World Rally Blue, always wanted the World Rally Blue in one of these. Wanted the sedan, but I got the wagon for laughs. 250,000 Ks on it. Real cool. I did a rear taillight and rear bumper mod from an 07 Hawkeye. This needed repainting, so I painted it black, same color as the G3. This one here, painted again. Fairly stock. It's got BC coilovers. Interior is very, oh, no keys. Interior is very clean, very clean. BC coilovers, stock wheels. She runs great, you know, a bit of fun. Really want a GC8. It's got the wider front end on it. So it's got the sedan front end. Previous owner actually rolled the guards because he had 18s on it. Rolled the guards here. As you can see, it's sitting fairly low. Yeah. I'll do some more videos on this one right here in a little bit, But that's basically what's going on with the cars. Yeah, thanks for joining. If you want any more other videos, I'll be putting them out as I see fit. No, I'm not in any rush to do anything really. Would like a new downpipe for this, and a tune and all that sort of stuff, but we'll get into that. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you on the next video.